Welcome, fellow garden enthusiasts, to Beautiful Rose Garden. Today, I'm thrilled to share a simple yet powerful method to propagate your beloved roses using only everyday organic ingredients. Forget synthetic powders and shortcuts. All you need is a little patience, care, and the quiet magic of nature. Let's get started and bring your garden to life, one rose at a time. Step 1. Unlocking the power of orange peels. Our star cleansing ingredient today is orange peel. You might think orange peels are useless, but they're packed with natural essential oils, especially limonene, along with citric acid and vitamin C. Step 2. The magic of garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful compound with strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. This helps protect your cuttings from harmful bacteria and mold during the crucial rooting process. Plus, garlic also stimulates healthy root growth and boosts the natural resistance of young plants. Step 3. Infusing your rooting solution. Combine your finely cut orange peels and garlic in a clean glass jar. Add about 300 milliliters of warm water, ideally around 40 degrees Celsius. This temperature is key to extracting the maximum essential oils and nutrients from the orange peel and garlic. Once you've added the water, cover the jar and let the mixture steep until it cools completely. Step 4. Honey and vitamin B1, a natural rooting boost. While your orange peel and garlic mixture is steeping, let's prepare another powerful blend. Pour 200 milliliters of filtered water into a separate clean glass cup. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and stir until it's fully dissolved. Honey isn't just a natural antibacterial agent that prevents stem rot. It also contains enzymes and natural sugars that significantly stimulate root formation, making your rose propagation process much smoother. Finally, add 1 vitamin B1 pill to your honey water and stir well. Vitamin B1, rich in thiamine, is crucial for promoting new root formation, increasing the resistance of cuttings, and reducing transplant shock when moving them to a new environment. So step 5, filtering and combining your solutions. Once the orange peel and garlic water has cooled completely, use a sieve or a clean cloth to filter out the residue, keeping only the clear solution. Now it's time to mix the honey water and vitamin B1 solution into your filtered orange peel and garlic solution. All these natural ingredients will blend together, creating the ideal environment for your rose cuttings to develop strong, healthy roots without the need for artificial stimulants. Step 6. Selecting and preparing your cuttings. This is the final and arguably most important step. Choose a healthy rose branch from a plant you love. Ensure it's free of pests and diseases and about 15 to 20 centimeters long. Carefully remove all the lower leaves, leaving only 1 to 2 upper leaves. This reduces water loss, transpiration, while still allowing the plant to photosynthesize. Lastly, make a 45-degree angle cut at the base of the stem. This increases the surface area, helping the branch absorb nutrients more easily and root faster. Step 7. Soaking and hydroponic setup. Submerge your rose branches in the prepared solution for about 20 minutes. This allows the nutrients to penetrate evenly, fighting bacteria and stimulating initial root growth. For our rooting method, we'll use a simple hydroponic setup. A glass jar combined with a sponge to hold the cuttings. This ensures the roots are constantly in contact with water and nutrients, creating a favorable environment for quick rooting. Pour your mixed rooting hormone solution into the glass jar. Then, use a small stick to make a hole in the middle of the sponge. Gently insert your rose stem into the hole so that the base of the flower is submerged about 3 to 5 centimeters in the solution. The leaf nodes should be held outside the sponge, allowing new shoots to develop as the branch begins to root. This method firmly fixes the branch and ensures constant contact with the solution, supporting effective rooting. Step 8. Creating a mini greenhouse. To give your cuttings the best chance, seal the mouth of the jar with a plastic bag and secure it with tape. This creates a mini greenhouse effect, retaining moisture, stabilizing temperature, and fostering an ideal environment for rapid rooting. Store the jar in a cool place, away from direct sunlight. Remember to regularly check the humidity and water level in the jar, adding water as needed. Step 9. Witnessing the magic. After about 2 to 3 weeks of consistent care, you'll start to see amazing results. New shoots will emerge from the upper leaf buds, initially as small green shoots, then gradually developing into young leaves, a clear sign that your branch is recovering and adapting well. Young roots will begin to develop from the stem cut in the solution, starting as thin white threads, then growing longer, thicker, and spreading around the base of the branch. This crucial initial step allows the plant to absorb nutrients and thrive when transferred to the ground. With the right combination of natural ingredients and meticulous care, a simple rose branch can transform into a healthy, ready-to-grow rose plant, proving that patience, love, and all natural ingredients are truly all you need for a thriving garden. Thank you for joining me on this green, clean, and sustainable gardening journey at Beautiful Rose Garden. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more organic gardening tips. See you in the next video. Nếu bạn cần phiên bản có thêm emoji, đánh dấu thời lượng đọc ước tính cho mỗi bước, hoặc bản rút gọn dành cho phần mô tả YouTube, mình có thể hỗ trợ thêm.